JavaScript
we have 8
Datatypes.
data types. We have 7 primitive and 1 reference type. The first one we have is a string, which is a sequence of characters that represent a text value, a number, which can be an integer or a floating point number, a boolean, which can be true or false, undefined, which represents a undefined or uninitialized value, null, which represent a non-existent value, big ints, which represent a really large number that cannot be stored in a number type, and then we have a symbol, which is a unique and immutable identifier. And in the reference types, we have an object. An object is a collection of properties which are associated with a value. Objects can also be arrays, maps, and sets. Also, functions are technically an object in JavaScript as well. Here we have a index.js. We have a console.log, which allows to print the value of anything we type inside of the parentheses here. And then we have the typeof operator, which can check the type or give us the type of value to the right hand side. So if we look at the console here, we have the different data types. Let me refresh this here so we can see it loaded again. And one more time. Now we see that the first one here is a type string. These two will give you back a number. Then you will have a type of boolean, which in this case is true, but it can also be false as well. This will be a boolean as well. We have undefined, we'll give it back undefined. We have no type, which is also in JavaScript is an object. And then a big N is, it has a different type of notation here, but it will give you big int. Then a symbol will give you back a symbol. And then you have an object with a property name and a value John, which is not being console log for some reason. And then we have different types of objects here. That we have an array, and then we have a function. So these are the 8 different data types that you can find in JavaScript, and you can always use the typeof operator to pass in a value on the right hand side, and always check the data type of the value.